What's going on, everyone? This week we are talking about shedding some pounds with a little help from meal prepping. Welcome to our show. Today we diving into some easy meal prep hacks that will make your life so much easier as you try to shed those extra pounds. We want to help you transform your week in a way that fits easily into your schedule and helps you stick to your goals. And here's why they're awesome. Protein shakes are like your secret weapon when it comes to shedding pounds. They're quick, they're easy, and they pack a punch of nutrients. But don't just grab any old protein powder and start mixing. Mason jar salads are like portable, customizable salads that you can take with you anywhere. Just imagine waking up in the morning, grabbing a container of overnight oats and knowing that you have a delicious, nutritious breakfast ready to go. It's like magic. To make overnight oats, all you need to do is combine rolled oats, milk or milk alternative, chia seeds, yogurt. It's basically cooking large batches of food that you can easily reheat and enjoy throughout the week. Let me walk you through the benefits. Imagine coming home from a long day, opening your fridge and seeing a delicious, home-cooked meal waiting for you. Planning ahead is essential for anyone looking to make positive changes in their life, especially when it comes to shedding pounds. It gives you a roadmap to success and helps you stay focused on your goals. One of the biggest benefits of planning ahead is that it helps you avoid impulsive decisions. When you're hungry, tired, or stressed, it can be easy to reach for the first food you see or skip the gym to catch up on some extra sleep. But when you have a plan in place, you're less likely to make these impulsive decisions. So whether it's meal prepping, tracking your workouts, or setting aside time for self-care, planning ahead can help you stay committed to your goals even when things get tough. That's the magic of batch cooking. By spending a couple of hours on a Sunday prepping, start with one meal prep hack and work your way up from there. Consistency is key, so find what works for you and stick with it. Don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen and try new recipes. Meal prepping doesn't have to be boring. Make it fun and enjoyable. Celebrate your successes and don't dwell on your setbacks. Every small step counts. Remember, you've got this. We believe in you. Now go out there and crush your goals. Until next time, happy shedding and cooking meals for the week. You can save yourself a ton of time and energy during the busy weekdays. Plus, batch cooking helps you avoid the temptation of ordering takeout or delivery when you're feeling too tired to cook. And let's be real, we've all been there. When you have a busy schedule, it can be really challenging to find time to sit down and enjoy a home-cooked meal. But batch cooking allows you to take control of your nutrition and still enjoy the convenience of quick meals. You can make a big batch of soup or stew on the weekend and have it ready to go for lunch throughout the week. Or you can cook a big batch of quinoa or brown rice and use it as a base for quick bowls throughout the week. The possibilities are really endless. So if you're looking for a meal prep hack that can save you time and help you stay on track with your healthy eating goals, give batch cooking a try. You won't regret it. And your favorite toppings in a jar or a container and let it sit in the fridge overnight. Vacuum sealing is a great way to store food for longer periods of time because it removes air from the packaging, which can cause food spoilage. This means that you can cook a big batch of food once and then store it in the freezer for up to 3 months without worrying about it going bad. So if you have a busy schedule or tend to forget about leftovers, vacuum sealing is a great solution for you. One of the biggest benefits of vacuum sealing is that it helps you avoid food waste. By storing your food in airtight containers, you can prevent it from drying out or becoming stale. This means that your food will stay fresher for longer, which can save you money and reduce waste. That's it. In the morning, you'll have a creamy, dreamy breakfast that's perfect for those who are short on time. Not only is this meal prep hack incredibly easy, but it's also super healthy. Oats are a great source of fiber and protein, chia seeds add omega-3 fatty acids, and yogurt provides probiotics. Plus, you can customize your overnight oats with different toppings like fruit, nuts, or even chocolate chips. If you're looking for a quick, healthy, and delicious breakfast option, look no further than overnight oats. It's the perfect meal prep hack for busy mornings. Let me break it down for you. Start by adding your favorite dressing to the bottom of the jar. Enter the trusty water bottle. Now I'm not talking about just any water bottle. I'm talking about a water bottle that can keep you accountable and motivated to drink more water. There are tons of options out there, but one that stands out is a smart water bottle that tracks your water intake and sends you reminders when it's time for another refill. It's like having a personal hydration coach. With this handy gadget, you'll be able to stay on top of your water intake and feel your best all day long. So if you're looking to level up your hydration game, consider investing in a high-quality water bottle. Your body will thank you for it. Then layer in your veggies, grains, and protein. It's like building a salad in reverse. And the best part is that they last up to 5 days in the fridge. No more wilted lettuce or soggy veggies. These babies stay fresh and crunchy until you're ready to eat them. Plus, they're perfect for portion control. You can easily see how much of each ingredient you're adding, and you can adjust the portions based on your needs. So if you're looking for a fun and easy meal prep hack, give mason jar salads a try. They're a great way to get a healthy meal on the table quickly, and they're perfect for those on the go. You want to pick the right one for your needs. Now, when it comes to protein powders, there are tons of options out there, but not all of them are created equal. Some can be chock full of added sugar or artificial ingredients, which can slow down your progress. That's why it's important to find one that fits your dietary preferences and goals. If you're looking for a plant-based option, pea protein or brown rice protein could be great choices. For those who eat meat, whey protein or beef protein can be excellent options too. The best part about these protein powders is that they're not just good for shakes. You can use them in tons of different recipes to add a boost of protein without changing the taste or texture. Think about it. You can make protein pancakes, muffins, cookies, even ice cream. So if you're trying to shed pounds and need a little extra protein in your diet, consider adding a protein powder to your meal prep routine. It could be the game changer you've been waiting for. No more spending every waking moment in the kitchen. That's not what we're about. In fact, we're about making it fun, simple, and enjoyable because we want this journey to be something you can sustain over time. So if you're ready to join us, let's jump right in. The first step to transforming your week is mastering the art of the protein shake. Speaking of game changers, next up we have the sheet pan supper. It's basically a one-pan wonder that can save you tons of time during the week. Let me explain. Sheet pan suppers are so easy to make. All you need to do is toss some protein and veggies onto a sheet pan, drizzle them with some olive oil, season them up and pop them in the oven. Once you take them out, you'll have a delicious, nutritious meal that's ready to eat. No more spending hours in the kitchen. With this meal prep hack, you can spend your time doing other things like working, relaxing, or hanging out with friends. Plus, sheet pan suppers are perfect for portion control. You can easily divide them up and store them in containers for a quick grab-and-go meal throughout the week. And the best part is that they're super versatile. You can use any protein and veggies that you like. So if you're craving something specific, you can easily swap things out and make it your own. So if you're looking for an easy and effective meal prep hack, look no further than the sheet pan supper. It's simple, it's fast, and it's a great way to get a healthy meal on the table without spending hours in the kitchen. But we're not stopping there. Next, we have the mighty mason jar salad. Okay, let's talk about a fan favorite, overnight oats. It's basically a breakfast that requires zero cooking. Yes, you heard that right, zero cooking. We all know that staying hydrated is important, but sometimes it can be tough to remember to drink enough water throughout the day. Okay, let's talk about the ultimate time saver, batch cooking. It's basically a storage system that helps you stay organized and reduce food waste. Here's how it works. And finally, let's talk about the importance of planning ahead. I hope this was helpful. Remember, you don't have to do everything at once.